The Paulsboro, New Jersey Supercharger is an 8-stall Generation 2 Supercharger. Charges up to 150 kilowatts. It's been upgraded. And here we go. That one on the pilot takes the exits. Wow, that's a impressive turn. It's out of WAWA. Looks like they're gonna get a decent score. I need to use the restroom, so that's perfect. Okay, there's one pull in, looks like. There's free air right next to it. Wow, looks like the road's under construction. Those of you in always low mode, watch yourselves. Okay, I'm gonna look for glass bottles this time because that was the situation. Cups. Air pump parking only. Looks like it's the typical setup. Alright, so 2A, 2B, yep. So this is a typical setup. Getting a fossil delivery. Still Jersey, so you can't do your own fuel unless it's electric. Go figure. And this is a WAWA, and since we are, yeah. I'll catch you all on the flip side for the review. Alright, so this WAWA has a natural gas fueling station attached. Don't know if you can see that in this fixed focus lens. Anyway, that's pretty neat. So the last one had an Electrify America stall. Well, it had an Electrify America station, and this one has a natural gas station. So WAWA in New Jersey is branching out to other fuel sources because both of these were Tesla Superchargers. I'm going to go ahead and give this one a 7 out of 10, simply because I don't see anything else to do directly here. And now that we've got version 10 and we can watch Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, it's not as bad as it once was, but it is what it is. So I'm going to use the Tesla bed and take a nap. But I will catch you all on the flip side. It says that after 25 minutes of charging, I'll be able to make it home. I don't actually believe that. Not like it is when I'm towing. I have to get to work in the morning, so I don't know that that will be sufficient. what I'll do is, let me look and see what else is out there. And if it makes sense to hit something else up on the way home. Oh, there's plenty. Not enough that I want to do too many of these videos because, like I said, I'm already on the way to being late for work in the morning. Let's see. The Newark, New Jersey the Newark, Delaware Supercharger is letter F. Is that on the route? Baltimore, but I don't want to go into the town. It's already 3 a.m. now, and at this point I'm trying to avoid metro traffic for Baltimore and DC, and it looks like I will fail. Yeah, Newark, Delaware is super close to here. It's actually the next stop if I stay on this road. In fact, I will be passing it no matter what I do. J is the Marlton. Wait a minute. Okay, so I see. You cross in and out of Jersey. Then there is Marlton, New Jersey. I don't think we've been there. Aberdeen. Whichever one this is inside Baltimore. Definitely skip that. And then after that, it's all Beltway, DC. So let's just see how far up I can make the percentage go to arriving home, because none of these extra stops are very appealing. But it says right now, if I were to go, I'd arrive with -20. So let's take a nap and see what happens. But looks like we may do another Supercharger review anyway. Traffic. Anyway, catch all on the flip side, and at that point you'll know what I did.